A significant band of rain and storms is moving from west to east across Australia, and this upcoming widespread rainfall will bring a renewed flooding risk, particularly for communities already being impacted by flooded rivers across eastern Australia. The forecast rainfall over the next 5 to 6 days shows the rain starting off in Western Australia, then pushing through the centre of the country and by the middle of next week into the eastern states. The highest rainfall totals to Wednesday night are expected to be across the Kimberley, southern inland Queensland and inland New South Wales, with rainfall totals possibly exceeding 100 millimetres. For the west and centre of the country, this rainfall is unseasonal, but for the eastern states, we have already seen back-to-back rainfall events across saturated soils, and so further flooding impacts are expected. We can see from the map here, the number of flood warnings are still current for southeast Australia, and this is from previous rainfall events with large amounts of water continuing to move downstream, but this will become quite dynamic into next week. We have also issued a flood watch for northern Western Australia, and this is for the potential for flooded roads which could impact and isolate communities. And what you see here will change over the next few days, so it is important to have the latest information, especially as some states are heading into a long weekend. For the rest of Friday, we'll see showers and storms continuing across Western Australia as a number of troughs drag down tropical moisture from the Indian Ocean. Into the weekend, this area of showers and storms will move into the Northern Territory and Western South Australia, and then by early next week, these systems will gradually start to get a move on into the eastern states. And Tuesday is looking to see, we start to see that tropical moisture pour down from the Pacific Ocean. And by Wednesday night, we will see a very extensive band of rain and storms stretching all the way from Western Queensland into inland New South Wales and Northern Victoria. The heaviest falls will come with thunderstorms, and it will depend on how this trough and low pressure system move. So with widespread upcoming rainfall for many Australians, it's important to stay up to date with the latest information for the Bureau's website or the Bomb Weather app. Follow all advice from the local emergency services, and please stay safe.